Hello everyone, Baron with Spring Bolt and Nut Manufacturing, and today we're going to be going over something that's looked over a great deal of the time when talking about specialty fasteners, and that is studs. Studs come in a wide variety of styles, from your standard all-thread stud to double end, tap end, and a whole lot of specialties along the way. We focus on manufacturing the types of studs most people don't want to tinker with, such as cadmium tapered studs like this guy, reduced tight tolerance double ends, studs that also require a whole lot of testing, such as this all thread right here that has been magged, UT'd, which is certified to be used in API pressure control applications. And just as always, if you can draw it, we can make it.